Dave Hino of Ocean State Tackle. This video slideshow features Captain Seagull's fishing maps. These show structure and places that have known fishing histories. We have maps of Block Island, the coast of Connecticut, Black Point to Clinton, Woods Hole, south coast of the Cape, Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts, New York and New Jersey, Mass, Rhode Island, Buzzards Bay, Nantucket, Georges Bank, Long Island, and Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, bathymetric maps. Anyway, these are a great resource, not to be used for navigation, but they can give you some insight as to the contours and structures that fish are likely to hold in. Anyway, Dave Hino, Ocean State Tackle, thank you very much.